All parties Hurriyat Conference has called on the people of occupied Kashmir to observe a strike on Friday 25th April against the Waqf Amendment Act 2025 and the issuance of the domicile certificates to the outsiders in the territory. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, expressed serious concern over the passage of the anti-Muslim bill from the Indian Parliament and issuance of the lakhs of the domicile certificates to the non-Kashmiris in occupied Kashmir. In occupied Kashmir, transporters who had deployed thousands of vehicles for the security purposes during the 2024 Amarnath Yatra have complained of the unpaid dues amounting of rupees 200 crore, despite assurances that all the payments would be made within the 15 days of the Yatra's conclusion. The transporters within the authorities to clear their long pending payments as they were under severe financial distress. High Court has quashed two detention orders slamming the occupation authorities for failing to provide essential material to justify detention under draconian the Public Safety Act. A bench, while making the observations while quashing the detention order under PSA against one Muhammad Afreen Zargar, a resident of the Baramulla, said, "Message of the law is being lost to the sponsoring authority as well as to the detention order making the authority, resulting in repeat of the preventive detention taking place on the insufficient material." Landslide swept away several vehicles into a deep gorge, with the Firdaus Ahmed from the Bandipora district being one of them returned home empty-handed. He, along with the others, had left behind his vehicle buried under the layers of the mud on the Jammu-Srinagar highway in the Ramban district. In the early hours of the Sunday, Ahmed was heading towards the Jammu when the landslides hit the Jammu-Srinagar highway near the Ramban.